Okay, so I would like to welcome you to our second training video. And in this video, we want to learn how to create a blank lesson plan. So at this point, I'm assuming that you have now visited the website and you've been presented with the home page. So right after this happens, you have to log into your account so that you'll be able to create the lesson plan that will be associated to your account. Now to do that, you will notice that on the home page we have this button in the top right corner. So this is called the menu button. So when you click on it, it will list a couple of menu items, but we're interested in the login menu option. So when you click on login, what will happen is you'll be taken to the login page where you'll be required to enter the email address and the password that you specified when you are creating the account. So in my case, I will enter that email address that I used when creating my account, and I'll also enter the password that I had used. So when I click on login, if everything is okay, then I'll be logged in to my account. Now, as soon as I'm logged in, I'll be welcomed by a simple message. And then if I check right now, I have no lesson plans. So to create a lesson plan now, I'd have to click on the create button. So when I click on the create button there, it will list two options. Do I want to create a blank lesson plan, or do I want to create one from an existing lesson plan? Now, when you click on blank, it will create a lesson plan that has no information in it. However, in the future, when you have more lesson plans and you would want to reuse a previous lesson plan, you can click on from existing. So from existing, we'll get the information from an existing lesson plan, and then it will get all that information and put it into the new one so that you can start editing the new one. So in our case, we're going to click on blank since we're just starting out. So when I click on blank, I'll be sent to this page where I'll be asked to enter a certain information which will appear on the lesson plan. Now, this information is normally the metadata, like the school, the department, the name of the teacher, the grade, and so forth and so on. So I'm quickly going to fill out that form. I'm going to say okay, so Matucha Secondary School, the computer department, that's my name, and this lesson plan is being prepared for the grade 9s, and I'm going to say 9 Gold, and then I have to specify the subject, and then I'll say computer studies. The topic, I'll say introduction to computers, and then the subtopic, I'll say input devices. Okay, then I have to specify when this lesson plan is expected to be used in a lesson delivery. So I'm going to say the 14th. And then I have to enter the duration there. Let me say 80 minutes. Then the expected number of boys, I will say 23. And number of girls, 12. So after I'm done with that, I can then click on create. And this will create the lesson plan for me. So once the lesson plan has been created, I'll be sent to the lesson plan overview page, which I'll explain later on in the future training videos. But that's basically how you would create a lesson plan. So I can now return to the home page. And when I return to the home page there, that welcome message, you notice now that it's showing me that I now have a lesson plan that I've just created. It's the subject is computer studies, the topic is introduction to computers, and so forth and so on. So that's basically how you would create a blank lesson plan.